Hey, welcome back everybody. Guess who's back? That's right, I'm Dave Guerin. This is This Vet Cooks. Welcome. It's been a while. Nice long spring summer hiatus, but we're back for more episodes. And on the first one, what are we going to do? Well, let's get started. All right, so what are we doing? We're going to make some, are you ready for this? We're going to use this pan right here. We're going to make some popovers. We're going to make some Gruyère Popovers. What's Gruyère? If you don't know what Gruyère is, it's cheese, fromage cheese. But in this case, it's German Gruyère cheese, Ammerlande, and this is from our local HEB deli. So we've got that. We're going to need some flour. We're going to need some salt. We're going to need some milk, and we're going to need about 6 eggs. Now, the unique thing about this, you can't just take them out of the fridge. They have to be at room temperature, so you're going to have to let them sit. First thing we're going to do, we're going to put this bad boy just like this in the oven. We're going to set it at 400 degrees. We're going to let the pan come up to temperature, and then while we're waiting for that, we're going to be mixing all our ingredients. Then we're going to pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Bring the temperature down for another 20 minutes. So it's going to be a good one. So stick around. We got plenty of stuff. Here we go. All right, so here's the situation. We got 2.5 cups of milk. We got to get it not boiling. No, don't get it boiling. You want to put it on the stove in a pan, or basically a saucepan, and you want to get it until it just has a little bit, a rim of bubbles. You're not boiling again, so get it down low, maybe a low or 1 or 2 or whatever you have at the very bottom, 1 notch up. All right, next, the Gruyère cheese, finely shredded. Thank you, Mrs. This Vet Cooks. We've got the flour and the salt. We're going to have to sift that together. So make sure you have a sifter or a sieve or something that's very fine. It'll allow that. Basically it's just to break up the flour. And the 6 eggs, you want to whip them up until they are, there we go, a little frothy, about 2 minutes on that. Once you've got that, we're going to wait for the milk, and then that's it. Then we're going to bring in the sifted flour into the eggs. Then we're going to add the milk. Okay, hot milk, but it's not scalding, it's not boiling. Don't boil it, it'll curdle, it'll be terrible. No, you just want to get it till you see the rim starts to bubble up the edge. All right, so let's get things going. All right, so just want to make sure I did tell you we're going to put that popover tin in the oven, 400 degrees, let it come up to temperature. All right, now while we're waiting for the milk for it to start really heating up and getting ready, I want to take a moment to invite you to follow me on, not just here on YouTube, I do appreciate that, but also on the Facebook, facebook.com thisvetcooks, on Twitter at thisvetcooks, and of course on Instagram, instagram.com/thisvetcooks, all one word. So again, follow me, let me know, hey, you're watching the show, you're watching the videos, let me know what you think, and if you have a recipe idea, by all means. Done it before, I'll do it again. I'm not kidding. So again, but don't forget, we will continue with the Operation Vittles cookbook here, and we'll get that going as well. But in the meantime, don't forget to watch on YouTube. That's where you're watching. Facebook, facebook.com/thisvetcooks, Twitter at thisvetcooks, and Instagram thisvetcooks. All right, let's see if the milk is ready to go. All right, so the water's gotten up to temperature. We're ready to go. The milk has gotten up to temperature. So here we go. We're just going to move over to camera 2 on this one, again, just to keep things frothy. Now, as the milk gets poured in, we have to keep stirring. Otherwise, it will cook the egg. We don't want to cook the egg slowly. Okay. Oh, that's smelling good. And keep whisking. Oh, really frothy now. Now, folks, this is going to make 12 popovers. So, all right, now what it says to do is we now have to mix in the flour salt until it turns into a batter. So it's going to be it. Go ahead. We just start adding the flour, salt until it mixes in and it starts turning to a batter. It's going to almost be like nearly a pancake batter. Maybe not so. Well, the nice thing behind this is there's no clumps down at the bottom. You know, when you pour in the flour, then you add the liquid. Oh my, yeah, this is just a little thicker than pancake batter. It feels like it, but then again, it could be because there's just so much in the... and it does smell like pancake batter. However, pancake batter has baking soda in it, if I'm correct. This does not. But then again, we're using all these eggs. Pancakes, 1 or 2 eggs, right? So these are going to be unleavened because there is no yeast. Alrighty, I think we're ready to go. Alright, so we took the pan out of the 400-degree oven. There it is. It's here on camera too. Let's take a looky look. There we go. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to fill each one of these here. Well, first we're going to spray it with oil. That way it doesn't get all sticky, and make sure you get it all. There you go. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. I think we got more than enough. But either way. Alright, so now we're going to use the cup here, the little measuring cup, 2/3 cup, and we're going to fill each one of these 3/4 of the way up. 3/4 of the way up. So let's go ahead. I know that's not enough. Whoa. Okay. There we go. Oh, yuck, what a mess. It is very runny. There we go. Like I said, the batter does make for 12. So we'll be picking this back up here in just a little bit and refilling this again. The downside is I'm afraid we're going to have to bring the thing back up to temperature because we need to be able to clean this up a little bit. Ooh, that one's a little high. I don't know if we're going to have enough. I think that truly is it. Alright, so we're done here for now. Alright, next. We can clean up that mess or just leave it like that. Doesn't matter, it's all going to get baked. Alright, next. 2 tablespoons of cheese over the top. That's 1. Everybody gets 1. So the Gruyere is not mixed into the flour, salt, egg mixture, milk mixture. You know what? I'm just going to do this. It's a lot easier. Oh, this is going to be cheesy, all right. You know, I wonder if we can do Havarti cheese, or even some Munster, or what's that other one? There's another one. A Swiss? Provolone? Anything that can be finely shredded. I wonder if we couldn't just goof around with that. But for now, I do believe that's it. We'll add just a bit more cheese here and there. All right, now it goes into the oven for, I want to say 20 minutes. Yep, and then we reduce the oven temperature to 350 and continue baking until they are brown, about another 25 minutes. I think that's it. All right, let's go put this in the oven. The Gruyère Popovers are in the oven now. We're going to wait the 20 minutes. Then we're going to reduce the temperature to 350, another 25 minutes. We don't want to open it until it's done, so you got to definitely wait the entire time. We are baking, so that temperature has got to be controlled. And speaking of control, folks, it's been a long, hot summer, terrible spring, panoramic, otherwise this thing just gets all crazy. The whole thing that's been going on, veterans, you need assistance, you need help, you want to talk to somebody, reach out. Veterans Crisis Line, 1-800-273-8255. Press that number 1. 1-800-273-8255. Press the number 1. That's the Veterans Crisis Line. From one vet to another, hey, look, make the call. It's just that simple. If they can't help you, they're going to put you in contact with someone who can. That's their job. That's what they get paid to do. So don't hesitate. That's what they're there for. Just pick up, make the call. That's your challenge. I challenge you. Make the call. All right, there they are on number 2. Look at those things. Those things are awesome. It says to take them out and flip them over. And they already. I don't think we need to flip them over. They're coming out on their own. Oh my goodness! Look at that. And serve immediately. Look at that! Wow. Look at that cheese. Oh man. Oh, I don't know what to do. It says serve immediately, so it means while they're still hot. So folks, don't delay. I don't even know where to begin. I'm Dave Guerra. This Fit cooks and bakes.